Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? This is Letter of Broadcast. This day, the 26th, not 26th, 6th day of June 2024. So we are here again. This is an early morning um, in some places and 1 minute to midnight in some places like in Biafra land. It is a 1 hour to that's 11:39. Okay, 11:39 p.m. in different land and some part of Europe. So we are here to do the needful. All right, what you're watching now is what is going on in Oduduwa land, in Yoruba land. Fulani cow are having a fun with people's farm and nobody questioned them at all. So this is not only one part of the country that is witnessing this kind of wickedness. And when you talk, some people say that you are a propagandist, and we are coming to that because Nigerian Army have responded to the video that we're trending through this now about army people in the video. We saw army people in the video. They're kind of shooting and people. When I first shared that message, I told us that I don't know what is going on here, and later I was being told that is mass execution, which I don't know because Army have come out to say that it's not true. But we need to do some research and investigation on that. So let's wait. What they said we interest you to know. I'm going to share that, but I still believe that is a max buying people in max is what happened there, because I will tell you why. Just wait a moment. Let's go there because I don't want to waste much time on this program. Hopefully we can be able to manage the time that we have to. Okay, hopefully we can manage it very, very well. So let me bring what Army said. Nigerian Army, what they posted about the incident. They said that PM is the one doing the propaganda and all that. And truth be told, I watched that video before PM posted it. So it has nothing to do. PM is not the originator of that video. PM shared it because that's information that is in public. But guess what? They are not tagging it that PM is the one that and his cohort and what they let me bring that note. So guys, please like the video. I've seen that some of you have liked it. Oh, the comment here is Lars. Lars is the first commentator, and Happy Ume, our sister from from Obodokune. Yes, how are we all doing today? I hope everybody is all right. So both of you are the first people to comment on this broadcast. So I believe what Biafrans have said about the video. Nigerian Army said that it's a propaganda, that they're lying against them and all that. But we shall see. Now this video is not about Army. So actually, I just want to touch on it before we move to what program of one of the DS member. And there's something he said there that is interesting. He also confirmed that he did not go to school, but he want to make an argument about Biafra government in exile. One thing about us is that if you don't know anything and you admit that you don't know this thing, that you just have knowledge of it, there's no shame about it. Like I always said, I don't know much about Biafra government in exile until now that I started paying attention. What is it all about? How do they function? What do you expect from them and all that? But when you don't have time to do that kind of basic knowledge, and do some homework to know what you don't know. You don't have. I don't think it's right for you to start making argument about what is going on and all that. So because you don't know. So here is the write-up of Nigerian Army, as you can see here. All right. As you can see here, they said allegation of mass spying by troops of Nigerian Army in Southeast is despicable false. The Nigerian Army NN has noted with dismay a mischievous and systematic campaign of calumny by Simon Ekpa, a self-acclaimed leader of proscribed indigenous people of Biafra. You know, they love this word proscribed so much. They love it so much. And anyway, we're getting to the place where they mention that there's something they said here that I would like to share with you. I don't know if it's wise for me to mention it now, but okay, they said here that people like agitators, all right, that they are not telling themselves the truth. Okay, that Samonekpa has group that is known for propaganda and all that, but they don't care to do investigation on how they come to conclusion of naming people as a terrorist. I don't know how they arrived to that point, but let's see. A self-acclaimed leader of proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, terrorist. Okay. The self-acclaimed leader, through spurious and unfounded claim, raised alarm on a viral video alleging that troops of Nigerian Army are carrying mass spying of innocent Igbo at Oliver and dumped. I think this is liver. Is it? Don't know how they come to this Oliver. Okay, that is okay. Dump them in a river. Oliver and dump them in a river. The report also contained some unimaginable and not well coached falsehood targeted at whisper up negativity sentiment against troops and inciting anarchy in Southeast region. The contrary to the falsehood being spread from the devious propaganda machineries of the desperate and self-serving terrorism leader. These people, the Nigerian Army wishes to state that it has conducted a comprehensive investigation on the allegation made by devious few. I swear, these people. Imagine if they have access to PM to lay hands on him. Oh my goodness. They were. Okay, let me start from this place. It had been conducted comprehensive investigation on the allegation made by devious infamous leader and his associates. Okay. Accordingly, we wish to categorically refute this baseless claim by throwing more light on the occurrence. In the first instance, the troops in the video footage are not personnel of Nigerian Army, as the incited visible on their berets clearly identified them as personnel of Nigerian Navy, that they are Navy, not Nigerian Army, who were engaged in a routine test firing of a weapon system mounted on a vehicle, and in order to ensure the safety of other road users and commuters, the troops took precautionary measure by holding vocally movement along the road. Okay. Holding vehicular movement along the roads until the test firing was safely concluded. Observers were also kept at a safe distance, maintaining transparency and prioritizing the safety of prioritizing the safety of all the involved. Okay, that's a kind of the safety of the people. Secondly, the primary finding also indicate that the occurrence took place in the southwest region of the country. That this thing that we saw here did not happen in Igbo land; it happened in southwest. Okay. because after saying this, I have to go and bring that video back. Because there's something I saw in that video that made me to conclude that what people said, is actually the truth. But let's come. Let's just wait. Okay, southwest region of the country and not the southeast. Okay, as advertedly portrayed by the amnesty propagandists. Amnesty propaganda. There's no vocabulary people have not used on PM. Furthermore, it was observed that there was no evidence to support the assertion that individuals were being shot at in the river. Nor have there been any report from local communities regarding the discovery of cubs in the river. We can buy them and pick them up. That's not an excuse at all. This one is cheap. This one is cheap excuse. You can buy them after seeing the video. Of course, you go there and pick the cubs, and just to make sure that this one is don't fall at all. Please forget that one. Consequently, the Nigerian Army wishes to enjoin the Republic disregard the unfounded claim and irredeemable falsehood being propagated by Simon Ekpa and his associates, whose apparent objective is to disseminate misinformation and incite unrest. The Nigerian Army and indeed the sister service and other security agencies remain steadfast in our commitment to maintain peace and order, ensure the safety and security of all citizens in the country. The Nigerian Army is vigilant and prepared to counter any attempt to destabilize the Southeast region. Okay, we referred our dedication to protect dedication to protecting the lives and livelihood of all Nigerians, and we continue to work tirelessly to uphold peace and order. We encourage the public to seek verified information and not be misled by those who aim to incite violence and disorder. So this one here, all this thing, okay, I can see some down here. We salute the courage and patriotism of well-meaning and law-abiding Ndigbo, the missile in Southeast and across the nation, who, despite the brazen atrocities and threats being perpetrated by Simon Ekpa and his terrorist group, who continue to build bridges. Okay, wait, what am I who? Okay, Simon Ekpa and his terrorist group have continued to build bridges of peace. How? I don't understand. And harmony across the country. I think they want to say that they're the one building the bridge, but it sounds like they're saying that PM is building the bridge and across the country and promoting our national idea of a united Nigeria. The Nigerian Army remain pillar of stability and security, committed to the well-being of the nation and her people. Okay, guess who is writing those nonsense? Okwa Nwafọ Igbo, Oyema Nwachukwu, Major General, Director, Army Public Relations. Okay, Oyi Igbo na-edekwa ihe a. Okwa Igbo na-ede ihe a. Okay, let's watch the video. Let's go back to the video. Okay, where's the video, please? Where's the video? Just hold on, let me get the video. How you with this thing now? Unbelievable. Okay. And Wachuku, before I get to that one, Wachuku did not see this one. No. Maybe this lab was conducted happened in this. No, not Southwest. This one maybe Maybe where will I okay, maybe in Jigawa. Yes. This one, this lab, this torture. In his own house, not that he caught him on the way. Wachuku did not see this one. Oh my God. Once they gave you Major General, because you know that once they push you out from Nigerian Army, you have no other place to go. Maybe he's old already to say, okay, I will serve in Biafran Army. They use his name to bring build bridges across the nation. Let me just hold on. Let me get that video because I have it here, but I mistakenly click on something else and back. Let me get it. The video of where they were shooting that this man trying to, defend. It is obvious that I have it here, but it's down. Hopefully, we are getting there. Okay. Remember one more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Wow. Sit down. Is it? Finally, we are here. Okay, my people. Please watch this video. Okay. Now, I want to pay attention to this car. Wait. You see this car here at back. This car here, you can see the cursor. Pay attention to this car here. This car is the same car that they used in carrying people. If you watch the video where they were telling people to enter car. Okay, it look like the same car. I'm not saying that it is the same, but it look like the same car they normally carry people. Because when we see people entering that car, that won't happen in Abia State. But the information like this one says this shooting happened in Imo. Okay, Imo River. Now, Somuto Chuku, this person that posted this thing, is not okay. I think he is not the one that I thought he's Daniel something. Let me open it because just hold on. Because one of them, the guy was serving in the Nigerian Army. But let's watch the video first before we check the person that shared the video. Okay, just pay attention to this car here. You can see they're firing inside it. So now this car. Oh no. Hold on, don't rush. Pay attention. Let me see if I can pause it. Okay. Now this car looks like truck. Okay, it looks like the truck that carried people here. And even I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. This one belonged to the army. So what do you think that this truck is here for? Is this not the truck that carry people that they're buying there? If you look at this truck, let me see if I get the video of the other one where they were buying people. Just not buying people, commanding people to enter their vehicle somewhere in Abia State. Just hold on. Let me see if I can get that video. I know I have it here, but it must be down as well. Just hold on. I want us to do this small analysis before we pay attention to what the US guy was saying on his program. Happy message that someone should go and check the river. Diana, I see you. Chineye MC, I see you. Please, someone, please ask the Zoo Army if there is a training. They should tell us what of our children they carried with the with a van? Thank you, my sister. That is the question. That the van that I just showed you now, it's the same van, the same color, the same everything. And what kind of training is that? That shooting inside inside the river? I don't know the kind of training they are talking there. What kind of training is that? And empty van is you just park empty van there. So who was in the empty? Who was in the van? Just let me see if I can get that video. It's very, very important for this video, this broadcast, because okay, this one is where they're beating a woman, and hopefully we get there. Okay, while waiting, while searching for this one, let me allow this. Let me see if I can allow this one to play.
In peace for 1 week. Who can do it here? Including our gatekeepers. Who can do it here? Including the Senate President, including the Speaker. But you left the traditional rulers. You left district heads, the Baales, to continue to stay there. And you are saying all will be well in this country. We are the ones facing these youths. We know their problems, and we have been talking every time. You sit in beautiful offices, and you all think all will be well, that you are taken care of. What's the essence of you being a politician? That you cannot even move around freely. You cannot. Nobody, do you think Abuja is only Nigeria? Or Lagos is only Nigeria? 36 states of this country. Some people are there, you left them, you abandoned them, and you are making laws and you are administering. What are you administering? I do not know.
Just bear with me. I'm trying to get that video. I don't know. I think the video is not saved here. Okay, let me not waste much time about it. Okay, finally we can. This is the video that I was talking about. So now you can see this van that are commanding women to go in. Okay, wait. Fine. Look at this van here. This is when they were taking people out. Somebody was hiding and taking video of this thing. Let it continue playing. So maybe you can see you can have a chance of to see the body of that van, maybe. You can see this is Nigerian Army somewhere in Abia State. Now you can see the vehicle. You can see the vehicle, right? You can see the vehicle here. You can see women, not man, women. They force them to go in and they carry them to unknown destination. To unknown destination. Now watch. You can see the car. I am not saying that this particular car is what is there, what they parked that place. I'm just telling you that this car is what they normally use to carry people. This kind of van is what they normally use to carry people when they want to buy people or take them to another destination. This is the type of van they normally use. Now, let's go to the one that we saw them using now.
I'll be very happy if anybody can raise up their.
Okay, now pay attention to this van. You see the van here? You see the van here? You can see it, right? So now is this not the same van? This is in the Imo. This one here, they said is in Imo State, whereas this one here is in other state. The same van, the same style. So how can you tell us that you are there conducting exercise and training? So that's where this is the reason why I don't believe what they said. The write-up they put out there, trying to make it look like nothing happened, and they say propaganda. Look at is this not Nigerian Army? Lined women and men, young people up, commanding them to go inside this van to known destination. And after that, we now see them shooting people in the Yuzu River in Imo State. From Imo to Abia, it's not far. So maybe they bring them to Imo State to buy them there, so that Abia people will not raise any alarm. So you are doing exercise without, I mean, you just wake up one day and started doing exercise without no announcement, nothing whatsoever. What kind of, you are talking to children or what? You can see it, right? Our sister Happy said, please, someone should go and check the river. They should return all the children they put in the van during May 30th Remembrance Day. Iwu Biafra said, hello, Mazi. And Diana said, the evil entity called Nigeria is full of criminals and evildoers. A country where you cannot hear any good news in a day than sorrow and agony of the citizens. Yeah, that is it, because that's enslavement. That is when you have your freedom, then you can talk of, having your doing what you should do and having your peace. So that is it. I hope you understand what because here that when they just put for you to know that they know what they're doing. They know that if they put this picture here, that van will be showing. Do you understand? They now quickly put this one to cover it, so that you think that it's only this one, because this video was not from them. Somebody made this video and said men at work. They are the one that shoot it, but their media platform are not aware of it. So when those guys commit something, the people that are in charge of media, which is an Igbo man, said that his name is what's his name again? Look at him, Oyema Wachuku, Major General also, and he's the Director, Army Public Relations. So this is what he put out there. But the problem is that once this one commits something, your own is to do damage control. But the reason why you put this in here is to cover that particular van. To cover that van. But that van is clear, very, very clear in that video. I hate propaganda, to be honest with you. I'm not here to do propaganda on anybody. That's why I said just bring it the way it is. Don't sugarcoat anything. Bring it the way it is. Let's see, and people will be aware of what is going on. Otherwise, they will live in denial. So this is your investigation needs to be. You need more more investigation to carry out about this, unless you know and you just want to do, eye service for people to believe that everything is all right. That one is different. Now, PM also responded to them. After they made this post, PM responded to them and said, I leave the good people. Okay, not this one. This is not what the PM, the one that PM said that I wanted to bring. This one is different. Different. Let me go back to the initial place. Not this one. Okay, let's go to the army. When you open the army page here, okay, then PM says something here. On that, okay. I leave the good people of the world to read your nonsense. You are debunking the massacre you are part of. Primarily, investigation suggests it is a southwest. You have to investigate the routine exercise of your navy to know where they carry the routine in a river. In a river. Biafrans have rejected you and your terrorism. You will be ruthlessly and brutally resisted in Biafran land terrorists. Nigerian Army. That's PM response. So they should go and investigate where their navy carried out their exercise. I asked, assuming it happened in the southwest, what were they shooting in a river? Fish. Then I got blocked. Like I said, I don't know the kind of exercise they're talking about in a river, to be honest with you. They need a preliminary investigation to know where they deploy their military to. Chineke mere mmadụ ebere. So that is the information. Say no more, my PM. Chineke. Let's go back to base. I just want to bring this one for us to know what the Nigerian Army have debunked that news, but people are still questioning the activities behind shooting in the river and why is the van parked there. That van is my own concern, to be honest with you. I want to know why that van, because that van, after seeing people going into a van like that, and all of a sudden a van parks somewhere, we are doing this kind of shooting. Come on, what do you expect? What do you want us to think that we were doing there? You're eating fish. You guys say yes, they're assuming that it's so. Are they shooting fish? Okay. Just a moment, because I think I hope this guy have not deleted his video. Okay, the video is here. Now, this guy, this particular guy is the one that working with US, right? And he always have something to say. And when you listen to him, you notice that just like when you give microphone, you give microphone to you give mic to somebody who don't know anything about mathematics. Okay, the person don't know anything about mathematics, and you give the person mic to solve maths or teach maths publicly. The person will be speaking from every corner. Will be going, we will be all over the place. Now let's hear this guy. He's our brother, right? Let's hear him. I don't want to bring any violence, so I am just a peaceful person. I'm just a peaceful person that you.
We continue.
You know, sometimes Twitter frustrates people, honestly. If you want to play video from Twitter, sometimes it will frustrate you. I'm trying to start the video from the beginning, but the thing is giving me problem.
His crime is backed by IPOB. Why didn't he claim number 10? After Nigeria.
No. Start.
Report. Against IPOB. When they gave us, they put us in number 10. Why didn't this?
I want to start where he was talking about
Now I come up with another headline
about Biafra government in exile. This guy said that Biafra government in exile don't have any right to form an army. That PM is fighting. That what he's doing is fake. That for you to fight for freedom, you need to have a group. That that IPOB is a group. MASOP is a group. He mentioned one other man also. I don't know the activity of that man. That he also has a group. That he should follow the same pattern, but he refused to follow it. Okay, he refused to follow it. He formed government in Nigeria. What kind of government is that? That you don't form government when you are still have military in your land. That you don't, your military, the Biafran Liberation Army, are they protecting border? That when Ojukwu formed Biafran Army, that he declared Biafra and defended the land. So that as far as Nigerian government have their barrack in Biafra land, that does not like Biafra government in Nigeria, that you are still under Nigeria. And oh my goodness, I hope this video will not disappoint me, because that is what I really want to focus on this night. That's exactly what I want to focus on, because some of us don't understand what these people actually, what they are fighting for. Let me flip the camera otherwise, so that I will focus on on this once and for all. Let me go to the base. I think many of us are sleeping tonight. Many of us are sleeping tonight. Please like the video. Only 11 people have liked the video, and it's not a good sign at all. Give the video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Illiteracy is a disease. I'm telling you. Education, no matter how difficult it is, try your best to, even if you did not go properly, you did not go well, you did not study well, you did not spend much time in your school, but at least try your best to know basic things that you need to know. I don't know why they gave him, this is one of the so-called recharge card. Exactly, he is a recharge card media warrior. Okay, finally let's go.
According to your location on the face of this planet Earth.
Stay at home. But that dropper safe. This is emergency.
Oh, yeah, see the person. See the people they killed on the ground. See it on the ground.
It's wasteful money. No, can't.
10th of December 2022. 10th of December 2022. Why didn't the criminal come and claim the killing of pregnant woman in Enugu? Why didn't this criminal come and claim it? He was interrogated in Finland. He didn't say, I do it. Why didn't he say, I do it? woman. Why didn't he say wholeheartedly, I did it? A criminal indeed, an individual have no business with issue. That is, you have no business with the international community on the issue of freedom. You must lead a group that has a name. A group.
Fine. This is where I would actually love to hear from this guy. He said that international community have nothing to do with you if you are an individual. That for them to pay attention to you, you must have a group that you lead. And that PM don't have any group that is leading, that means no international community take him serious. So, and to him, IPOB is a group. IPOB is a group that have leaders, not even one, leaders. So, international community pay more attention to them than the African community in Exile. Onye na-akọ ọrụ ugbo ewere scissors ya bịa ka o mee mmadụ surgery. Now let's listen to him.
Identifiable. Who will the Nigeria arrest in the name of their group? They don't have a group. Where will the Nigeria arrest? But Nigeria will declare IPOB wanted.
Do you know that for you to see how gullible and delusional these people are, do you know that they elevate the name IPOB more than Biafra? So if you, like he said, what is your name? The name, he forgot that there's a name called Biafra. That one is not a, no, that one is not a name. He's looking for a different name so that he can say that, oh, this is name for PM. But they don't like that. You see, Biafran government inside, they hate it. I swear, I don't, that guy have sense. I don't know if, I think what you mean, don't know if he have sense at all. His own foolishness I was thinking that he can't go Ragu was stopping. Then I later felt that Achalugo was leading. But this guy from Enugu State, I swear, this guy, this guy, his own is totally. Sometimes when I'm watching his program, sometimes I will be laughing, especially his facial appearance. You can see where he want to add seriousness. That is seriously when you are making a very big mistake. just watch this analysis. Gent of ma Gent of ma.
Nigeria will say go after IPOB, as Tinubu said. But what is it called? Will anybody say go after someone other group? They don't have a group. You think Nigeria is foolish? You think Nigeria is foolish? Don't you know Nigeria is run by the British?
Now, he is now moving from, don't you know that Nigeria is run by British? You know, in his community, I can feel how he will be carrying himself in his village. That he is a media warrior that broadcasts that the whole world listen to him. That he's in contact with the directors of state. He's in contact with a social person. And if he has sense in our village, what the matter? If you do nonsense, he'll be, you know, on Africa bread. That Nigerian is not stupid. They cannot arrest you unless you have a group. So if you want to fight Nigerian as you want to fight for freedom of Biafra, don't have any group, because that means Nigerian cannot arrest you because you don't have a group. According to what he said there, that you think Nigerian is stupid. That Nigerian cannot. Who would they arrest? They cannot arrest anybody. Only people that have group. That whatever that he's committing now, he's not tagging it, pushing it to IPOB. IPOB is the one receiving the punishment because he don't have any group. In Anoba. Then Biafra is what? Biafra should be the name. But to them, Biafra doesn't really matter. Biafra is just a name that they use to make people believe that they are doing something. That the real name, this group, this group is IPOB, and this IPOB they're talking about is not about for freedom. It's about you know, pressure group. It's about making, carrying people along, sharing money, sharing power. That he will tell you that because of his wisdom and his understanding, his brain, that is made the US to elevate him to where he is today.
So you think they can foolishly come out and say, hey, there is somebody, a color they will ask you, you are a fool. Go to your embassy, will capture him in Finland. It's not leading a group. A group, any group that has no name is not a group. What is the name of your group? What is the name of the group that launched government in Exile? What is the name of the group that declared government in Exile? What is the name of the group? You are telling Nigeria that the people that attack army and attack is the Biafra.
What is the name of the group that launched Biafra government in Exile? So you must have a group before you. So these guys, look at him. He carried Biafra flag all over his body, but he forgot the name Biafra. That IPOB is the answer. Only anything you want to do is IPOB. Without IPOB, you are talking to yourself. Look at him. Oh. What is your name? So, what is the name of the group that formed Biafra government in Exile? That because you don't have a group before you form that Biafra government in Exile simply means that your Biafra is not Biafra enough.
Under the Biafra Republic government in Exile. What is Biafra Republic government in Exile? Nigeria does not know about it. Have you ever had any?
That Nigerian does not know about it, so Nigerian have to know about it before it become real. I don't know why PM and different government in the Israel cabinet are making this mistake. Did you take permission from Nigeria to form it? Do they approve it before?
Complaint from Nigerian ambassador. Have you ever had any report? Because they know it goes nowhere.
That did you hear any Nigerian ambassador talking about it? Because they know that it's not going anywhere. Oh, one day natural Biafra one okay, went.
You only arm criminal to destroy your land. It will not affect the government. Now you understand. Have you ever seen government complain about the flag? Anything that harm our people that does not affect the government, they will not complain. But if you see IPOB at home, harm the government, but not affect our people. Now you see their plan. But if they might go for 1 week force at home, the government will not complain. They will be waiting for it to start. They will start reporting against IPOB. They will keep publishing. You can never.
Truth be told, if I am the one that buy mic and computer to this guy, after listening to your program, my brother, I will because I don't want to hurt your feelings. I will tell you that what his name? His name is Abuchi. I think Abuchi or Chubos. I forgot what he said his name. I will call him, my brother. Pack that computer and the mouse, everything that I gave to you. Go and give it to so person there. Just wants to give it. I have another brand new laptop that I want to give you. Because this guy is disgracing these people, to be honest with you. Did you hear what he said? That Nigerian government don't complain anything that does not affect government. Okay, they don't complain. That is why they don't complain about sit at home. You know what? This guy is living in Enugu State too. He's not abroad. He's not in abroad, and he's the only person telling you that Nigerian government don't complain about every week sit at home. But you see this sit at home that they concluded now that the IPOB announced. Remember, they did not announce it because this guy is in village. He only call Chinas to once in a while to receive briefing. He don't even follow the news. It was PM that announced 30th of May, Biafra Day, this 30th of May, 29th, 30th, and 31st. Then I jumped out and started celebrating it because previous year, if you can check it very well, last 2 years, 2021, none of them celebrate 30th of May. They did not celebrate it. If you check very well, you understand what I'm saying. Now, he is here telling you that the Nigerian government don't complain about stay at home. But you see, this 30th of May, they just concluded that that is the problem of Nigerian government. Because the other one, it does not affect government. Teacher, teach me nonsense.
I said, don't come for 1 week, you know. They will write the whole newspaper and say, wait, just if we immediately send you a message from Army headquarters, Army relation, just post it. It is news. Post it. Post it. They'll start posting. There is no start room, even if they give 1 week, no start room. The duty of the newspaper is to be posting whatever the Army post send to them and say it's IPO. They never counter it at home of Benima. They will be there waiting to publish the crimes upon IPO. But IPOB one day sit at home, federal government is interested, everybody is interested, Tinubu is interested, Army is interested, criminal buffon in Finland is interested, even those of them in Imo State is interested, even though we visited in America is interested, everybody is interested, because it is a people, it is a state actor, it is a people that have grassroots organization. We have unit, we have zones, we have local government coordinator, we have senatorial, we have state, we have national, we have continent. It is a grassroots organization. You cannot uproot it.
Did you see the arms of government of IPOB? I don't know. They have a local government. They have a state. They have a national. They have federal. Hi, she didn't na broadcast. Didn't IPOB don't have grassroots government like you are saying. They don't have it. You only have DOS. Even you that is talking, you are just a opportunist. Opportunist in the sense that they run out of propaganda. People that will shout on media. Your own, they recruited you just for PM. Nobody expects you to pass any meaningful information. Nobody. Denta, you are there in village. You don't even. Do you have data to browse, to know news, to even follow news, follow updates? You don't have. They just update you. Oh, Ekberima said that guy, I hate him so much. They will tell you, Chibos, don't worry. What is this your account number? Go and open dollar account. Don't worry, I no need to be sending you naira. The guy and put dollar account, they send you $500, $200. Did I say $500 for what? Who are you? They're paying $500. It's $100, $50. You didn't. And a lunch you're going. You're going to get a lunch. You're going to get $50. So it's $50, $100. Then now can you just imagine that IPOB have international, they have a state, they have a grassroots government. Where maybe you'll be telling your villagers that you are a local government chairman of indigenous people. And for you to know that this guy don't come, he don't have data to browse online. He don't even know that Nigerian government have placed bounty on PM many times. You don't even know that they were signing petition because his organ did not brief him on that. So he thinks that PM is just posting on Twitter only. That the federal government don't even know. Oye makwanya. Oye makwanya. No, you on the internet. Oh, don't worry, Mazi. Don't worry, Mazi. Watch Nike. Don't worry. So when do you want me to go online? I say go online now and start broadcasting. Yes, we need to be active. He said, okay. Don't worry, I have told Maz, okay, for yesterday, they give $50. Maz, thank you, Maz, thank you so much. Maz, you are going to see my. Don't worry, I will go online. I will tear him now. Just hold on, let me go online. Okwota, Okwa just like that. Okwa just like that. That TPM, for you to know, you're a broadcaster. You don't pay attention to the news. You don't. Your own broadcast is only what they tell you to go and say. And you are here exposing yourself. Can you just imagine that the federal government don't the only thing that federal government of Nigeria is interested in is 30th of May, sit at home. They don't complain about money, sit at home. That only this one. It's this guy, I doubt this guy in a dinner. I doubt.
The group wanted. Where are they? Who are they? But Nigeria know IPOB. They know IPOB in communities. They know IPOB in markets. They know IPOB in streets. They know IPOB in township. They know IPOB even in the world, in an outside country. They know IPOB everywhere. It's visible, not invisible.
Oh, IPOB, speaking of invisibility, China Saworu is not visible. Your media, what do they call it? Powerful is not visible. A mega gift is not visible. The other one, they said that he's something. I forgot the one nonsensical name. That one is not coming up on social media ranting. It's not visible. Those of you that are visible are now taking backwards, taking back step. Like their franchise is now he quickly changed his platform to African something. Then Ike Guru have finally resolved his issue with federal government, with the Nigerian government. He's now an eye of Nigerian government in US Nigeria. A job, 4 job, has been handed over to Ikenga. Ikenga is the one making sure, pretend that he belongs to IPOB, US, and everything. He's the insider, giving everything out to government. That's why they cannot breathe an inch, because Ikenga is doing the primary duty of a Jofo before. A Jofo is trying to do damage control, trying to play along with what people want so that that to deceive others. But let's continue.
That is why the criminal in Finland can position himself, claim anything now. After he thought he has used the name of IPOB, which Nigeria will be boldly to report. He used the name of IPOB to commit crime. Nigeria was bold enough to be reported it because IPOB is state actor. Nigeria was bold.
Oh, IPOB is state actor. You know what? Okay, this guy don't know the meaning of state actor. And then governor will to be an honor. IPOB is state actor. Meaning that IPOB have been elevated because Nigerians have given them approved to be a state actor. Yeah. You don't even listen to even local news, because in Nigerian news, in news like Arise, Channels TV, we have seen people saying that trying to defend you people, IPOB, that IPOB is that I don't think that Simon Ekpa. So that's what we are hearing. I don't think that Simon Ekpa is working with working with IPOB. IPOB have distanced themselves from this guy, that he is not working together with them. Then the anchor of the news of the program with them. But even at that, but this Simon Ekpa is powerful, no matter how we can perceive it. But he is powerful in that region because people obey him. That's what even the lady said it yesterday. They are no more saying people that he fought people, but now they are not saying people obey him. He said not everybody obey him. I for one, I don't listen to him. Only the gullible ones, only the uninformed people, uneducated, they started insulting people because they did not believe what they believe. And this guy is here. I wonder how they are. I mean, it is true that you maybe somebody who is making mistake or fooling himself, I mean, you will not know. As ebe one know is able is in be slofe sulana sulaja nkete. Now 1 year no na ko na ko work with DOS that you people that DOS that send this guy out to do what he's doing. You guys should be some. It doesn't mean that you guys don't listen to what he's saying, or you also uninformed like him. Because sometimes when you listen to what he's saying, you understand that he don't even know what he want to say. Mixing the whole information, even the one that everybody can have, as everybody know. You don't need to do research to know how Nigerian government are struggling to engage PM, struggling bitterly to the extent that most of them have sent many people to go to Finland to cause problem with him. If they know how they can implicate him today to cause to be deported or that kind of thing, they will do it instantly.
Enough to be reporting it because IPOB is a legitimate organization. But Nigeria cannot report the activity of a criminal who led an invisible, that is, people unidentifiable group. Nobody knows him. So who will?
Nobody know him that you guys were saying 2021 when Masakan was kidnapped. That was you guys' trademark. Nobody know him, one room agitator, and only you among all the thousands of Richard Kali media warrior. Only you are still backward in terms of you are not updated. You are still using that kind of thing. Nobody know him. Nobody know who. Oh my goodness.
Nigerians say they are going after his boy, his followers. They don't have followers. Their followers are unidentifiable. So how can Nigeria go after such people? You don't have sense. Don't you know that there must be a group? Okay, who launched it?
This guy that is talking here, this is his new video, not last week, recent one, I think yesterday or today. This video. Now, he's in Biafra land. He don't even know that. He don't see because he don't have data. Because if you have data, you must have seen people voting in homeland, having a long queue. So you are talking about his followers, who is their followers, and where are they? So people that are voting in that video are all invisible. They are ghosts. You that is talking, you are in Biafra land. On Monday, you cannot go to Head Bridge on Onitsha and stand there or just walk through that area. You can't. I don't want to say Enugu because Biafra government in Exile are kind of, they have not resumed any operation in Enugu. What I mean by operation, making sure that the people of Enugu State, know the importance of sit at home by preaching, evangelizing, not forcing anybody. Because Radio Biafra are not, Biafra government in Exile radio are not on in Enugu yet. Even if they are, it's only in some area, not everywhere. So people are kind of 50-50. People believe, and DOS have more, they have polluted the many mines in Enugu State. So it will take time to sanitize. It will take time. Because of what the activities of ESN under DOS in some communities in Enugu State, it makes people of Enugu to have this kind of hate on IPOB. So when you talk about anything IPOB, some of them are kind of in there. You understand? Because Nigerian Army was bombing them from air. We had that some of their jets were, they dragged them down in the past in Enugu State as well. So Enugu State are known for, this kind of issue, banter between them and the Nigerian Army and others. So sometimes most people don't want to talk about, don't want to have that kind of experience anymore. So it's one of the reasons why Enugu is the way it is. But it's not that people ignored it. Let's continue.
Certain governors. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now, who launched Biafra government in Exile? What is the name of it? Simon Eba declared government in Exile. Isn't it? Is that decision of the people? No. Then you don't know that it is unpresentable. Are you not aware? You don't have where you meet, no meeting ground, no place to meet. Just to post video of criminal in one side of the bush, one video. Then you see them patrolling on the lonely road that IPOB have announced to our people, don't go this road. You will see them carry stolen vehicle, stolen pickup, that the printed sticker of Biafra and post it and say Biafra Liberation. These are vehicles they stole and kill the people, frozen their account. They didn't buy any vehicle. They have never been in any time to buy a vehicle.
I am not part of your IPOB leadership or anything, both now and before. But from people that have been there and what they said, most of what ESN were using under DOS and IPOB before, you guys, though I'm just saying this because some I don't blame this guy because knowledge is power. He just joined IPOB, from a hunting business. So I don't blame you, my brother. But the only place I blame you is that your mouth is meant for words to talk, right? But does not mean that you have to whine it the way you feel. And any sound that comes out from it should be pardoned because you don't know when you did that. No, that's not how it works. So there are some things that you will say that you will have to answer some questions. First of all, don't discuss if you know what IPOB DOS have committed in terms of snatching and looting. You will not even discuss anything snatching in your life, in your entire life, as long as you love DOS and IPOB of Nigerian like you guys now. If you really love and support them, if you see anywhere that snatches something, you will turn the other face. You look to the other way, because discussing about snatching of a thing should be a kind of, scratching your wounds. I was told that most of some of IPOB that police buy them, they buy them on because they were on an attempt to snatch catapult from police in checkpoint, because where the commanders and leaders are trying to make money from the money that the IPOB sent to those people to purchase catapult and gravel, they will squander that money and convince people and tell them that they are gallant people, they are strong. Let them go there and take this catapult out from the people, out from Nigerian police. You understand? So the information they use is, I'm not here to, because if I go deeper, it may pollute, it may spoil many things. But don't go there. You talked about snatching car. These people did not snatch car just like you guys cover a police and on another. Sometimes people will decide to buy them beer. They will sober. While on checkpoint, then you just corner their catapult, and they will be stranded there. Some of them may even lose their job at the end. But this one is that Biafra Liberation Army engage people that with that car you're talking about, engage them on a fierce discussion. And after discussing, some of them, decided to repent and decided to, go to Chukwu Kabiam. You know what I mean? And that's how they recover those things. Just like the Nigerian Army also recover some catapult in the past. Catapult that I'm just giving you an example. The catapult that Ikonso was using, where is it? They collected it, right? So what are you talking about? That is how it is. Once you break people's hand, you take whatever that hand was holding. Do you understand what I mean? So your own case, your own broadcast is very, very disgraceful.
These are vehicles belonging to Biafra. Some of those vehicles, they pieces them and sell it back again. Those things you saw the vehicle as sticker. They just print it and place it on stolen vehicle. You see them line up their terrorist stolen vehicle on a lonely road that IPOB have even come on radio Biafra and said, don't follow this route.
Now, why did the IPOB say don't follow the road? If not because of fear of people that are making use of the road. Does that make sense? Are you not validating your failure? You are validating your failure. Sometimes it's common sense is not common. And like people say, it is not. It is not common. I don't think we are going to, we can go on and on and on and on this program because it is, somebody that is yapping like this, that he will not have a quick broadcast 1 hour. Even to us, what I'm seeing here is almost. Let me see. What I'm seeing here is almost 7 hours. Almost 7 hours broadcast. So once he on camera, he will talk. That's hitting point without making sense. And after that, they will send you. But at least they is good. It is better than hunting. At least you sit in your house and they will pay you. In Chineke, about $50, my brother. I don't know why. Let me play it again. At least let's say so. Let him play for some minutes before we end it.
If you are following if you are people that secure the people, how come the road you are always following, nobody operate there? Which road is being vacated? Is it not the road that criminal operates? No, I want to know. Some people don't have sense. You will see this criminal gang, they will carry gun. Going on a road, you never see any motor coming. But where Nigerian Army is parking on the road, you will see motor coming. Where police is parking on checking point, you will see motor coming.
You see, singing praises of Nigerian Army and police. These are things that make people to hate you people because of your activities, your ordeal with the states. You have every right to support whatever you want to support, but don't be deceived. Don't think that people are not able to, pick points from what they're saying. You talked about the road that the different Liberation Army make use that nobody is going there because it is the road that criminals use. Then, if you have watched the video where they were where they were playing a band, that was after Finland first inauguration last year. One of the video where they carry flag, people were watching them on the street of Biafra. Maybe I know you that you can't even watch ordinary posts. You can't even read ordinary posts that people made, let alone watching videos. So I don't blame you. You will call Chineso will call you to summarize everything for you. Watching it. My people, if you continue playing this guy's voice, we are not going to go anywhere. Just this one will tell you the kind of mindset and the kind of person that he is. So that should be a very, very good eye opener to most of us. So guys, thank you so much for your time, and we have to sleep. Okay, we have to sleep. We don't need to spend overnight on one issue. We have to call it a day. Do you mean this foolish person was on air for 5 hours? How many people view the nonsense program? Like what I'm seeing here. Let me share it with us, so it's not as if I'm making it up. You can see the view here, 1,590. This is on Twitter. IPOB Rapture Media. Okay, IPOB Rapture Media. So he was ranting and ranting and ranting. Many videos, his videos are always like that. And I think sometimes these people will cut it, will cut part of it. But if you join him live, you understand what I'm saying. Thank you and remain blessed. That is it. Chineye MC. Chineye, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And guys, we have to sleep now, okay? Thank you so much and have a wonderful night. See you again tomorrow. Remain blessed and please subscribe, okay? And like the video if you have not. Thank you so much and bye bye for now. I thank you all. Please, if I have not mentioned your name, don't be offended. Happy May, Wilson, Stanley, Richard, and Don Klein. I see you guys. Thank you for your comment and good night to you all. Bye bye for now.